This kid had no fancy camera, no mic, and only 8 views on his first video. Today, he has 10 million subscribers. This is the story of Mr. Beets and why you should never, ever give up. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a quiet teenager named Ethan. But online, he was known as Mr. Beets. While other students scrolled through TikTok, Ethan was editing videos late at night with a slow laptop, no mic, and no subscribers. He had just one belief: if I stay consistent, one day I'll be heard.
Ethan's first video was awkward. The audio cracked, the transitions were clunky, and it got just 8 views. Not 800, not even 80, just 8. One was his mom, and another was his dog stepping on autoplay. Ugh. But he didn't stop. He told himself, I didn't fail. I started.
Ethan watched hundreds of tutorials. He learned thumbnails from Mr. Beast, storytelling from Yes Theory, and video pacing from Ryan Trahan. He didn't copy them, he studied them, then created his own unique vibe. Funny, honest, a bit weird, just like a beat. He started saying, "Hey, I'm Mr. Beets, here to make your day a little less boring."
One day, Ethan posted a video titled, I gave strangers $5 to make me cry. It was real, raw, and hilarious. The next morning, 100,000 views. He blinked. He refreshed. 200,000. In 3 days, he hit his first 1 million. Ethan realized people don't want perfection, they want connection. Today, Mr. Beets has 10 million subscribers. He's sponsored by big brands, but he still shoots many videos from his bedroom. Why? Because he knows where he came from. And he reminds every student watching, you don't need fancy gear, you need crazy consistency. You don't need followers, you need faith. Stop waiting, start uploading.